Welcome to Start My Channel, the topic of Pontiac GTO 2026. Welcome to my channel. The legend is back, and it's louder, meaner, and more powerful than ever. The Pontiac GTO 2026 is here to shake up the muscle car world and bring back the golden age of American performance. After years of silence, Pontiac roars back to life with a machine that blends retro inspiration with futuristic engineering. If you thought muscle cars were a thing of the past, think again. The GTO is rewriting the rules. Under the hood. The 2026 GTO is a beast, powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower. This car doesn't just look fast, it is fast. 0 to 60 in just under 3.4 seconds, top speeds north of 200 miles per hour, and the kind of torque that will glue you to the seat. Pontiac has partnered with General Motors to ensure this rebirth isn't just a tribute, it's a revolution. You're not just buying a car, you're buying raw American power refined with modern tech. The exterior design screams GTO heritage. It's got those classic wide-set grills, flared fenders, and aggressive stance that made the original GTO a legend in the 60s and 70s. But Pontiac didn't just recreate the past, they updated it. LED lighting, carbon fiber accents, active aerodynamics, and a reworked hood scoop that's both functional and fierce. Every line is sculpted for speed, and every angle is dripping with attitude. Inside. The 2026 GTO balances retro style with digital innovation. You'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a digital instrument cluster, heads-up display, and a massive center touchscreen running GM's latest infotainment system. Leather-trimmed Recaro seats hold you tight through sharp turns, and there's wireless charging, a premium Bose sound system, and full smartphone integration. But make no mistake, this isn't a luxury cruiser. It's a track-ready monster disguised as a street car. Pontiac also took performance to the next level with an adaptive magnetic ride suspension system, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and a revised rear-wheel drive platform with optional all-wheel drive for insane grip. Multiple drive modes, including a custom GTO mode, allow drivers to adjust throttle response, exhaust note, suspension stiffness, and even launch control, whether you're on the drag strip or carving through mountain roads. This car can be tailored to thrill. Now, let's talk about sound. The exhaust on this thing is pure music. Pontiac engineered a quad-tip performance exhaust that roars under acceleration and growls at idle. And yes, there's a quiet mode for those early morning starts, but we all know you're never going to use it. This car was built to be heard, seen, and respected. Safety isn't ignored either. The 2026 GTO includes all the modern assists, like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. You get the full package of raw muscle with modern peace of mind. Pontiac is releasing the 2026 GTO in limited quantities, making it an instant collector's item. There will be special launch editions, custom color options, and even factory track packs for enthusiasts who want to push the limits right out of the showroom. So if you're tired of seeing the same crossovers on the road and long for a time when driving was exciting, the Pontiac GTO 2026 is your answer. This isn't just a statement. It's proof that American muscle is alive and burning hotter than ever. Buckle up, because the king has returned. Will come to my channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-octane reviews and updates on the hottest cars coming your way.